All right, once again, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching us. The name still remains Yesuba for short. Masa Ababim. Sunday say, Masha Obono, I will never and ever disappoint you. I'm always there for you. Semedeni amapanko ebebro ama wonso so osua de na watu ho for na yenyina ya entertain ye ho na ahye Awurade Nyankopɔn din animonyam. Because I was a 2AJ TV. Mesro say unsubscribe to the channel now. Any DM ni aho browse kwan so a subscribe to the channel. Like and share, na leave you comment mami na bibia into me enye kama pa. Ohwa me nchen a me ni senior man mu the chairman general, the chairman himself. Ono ankasa enene me no edi ehia. Ye ba na ya ba betwetwe nkomo. Chairman General, Memoakaba.
Major so.
Apom etiseng.
Nyame adom na onso e.
Around the adom. Any special worship unti. Me ho den pa.
Yede nyame ase.
Na saying so mama misa ni say ministry no e ko saying.
Ministry ne de I can say dada na sanes meka no. Say dada na because yenyenye ye adwuma no. It is still the gospel na ye preachy. Inti gospel ni ye preachy dia. Just dada na ni da so yede.
Na just say dada na
adwuma na ni da so.
Gospel no be bia sesa in free. Inti once it still remains the gospel, then it's still the same.
Sure.
Inti adwuma no dada na. Now I mean can say so far so good. Yeah, with the year 2025. Oba ebe joining 2AJ production. How many years?
I'm in my 5th year.
Your 5th year?
Yes, please.
Wow, which is 5 years.
Yeah, 5 years.
Wow. So 5 years when you are joining production, experience net is saying, yeah, fano or pick or for no. Now challenges being na o face, never being na a year or ding in the beginning.
I did be a chassis and I had a
All right.
Yeah, I did be a chassis no thing. It doesn't matter say why yeah, but you move to a different level bia onko hoda.
Oh, okay.
So in that case no, ebeye was something new. You will face some challenges. On fana easy sir. Inti na kakra sa na meka no. Challenges there a lot.
So me pese ubiem my be about 2B. What are some of the challenges are a gene and hopa be can say me ba for no adiwe me biggest challenger me bray and son I be adiwe me get used to and baby like unya ofa bibi say
me fa bibi say mu ba and sheda nteki a while be say ube fa key changing of keys.
Oh, okay.
So at I see any area here's our say we over two different keys. So at I say send you be sustaining like a voice no you bet me I mean the actual key be our the normal key at least be our the normal key away also it doesn't mean say ultimate to other keys no bet me to other keys no but should in case say wa call baby without his or her instrumentalist obeka key bia say edu eniedin edu de be de kra na say key ne be favor no so what you say until we say ye rehearsal say who say key we na ye normal key anytime bia no wa bro when you you
obetimi dey flow.
Sure.
All right. Now just say or say me at say the challenge ba ko po face here from the scratch na you say na ni key sem no ebe problematic akra because all picky keys are who do be brain no na enough but by the grace of God and wetimi abe master ama baby obegina bia no timi flow ama bibia eye kama so oba ebe join production no beginning no na o expectation the same all the expectation be and any so ade be see when so say some years be no person drew her now yes wunya what the sabota you see when so
medicine many so area say obi e was unya vision board. If you don't get a vision board mean inside the way you don't know the outcome ebeba nti me vision board na me na o medi so me vision nyina ne say I will spread the gospel to the whole wide nations. And one idea, na me expect say Nyankopon be fa me so. Ama gospel no akwa ama nyina so.
All right. And before say ye be boere mo ankasa no. E kwan ben so e den e na wutimi ne wo papa ye nyina papa. Masamo Esiama Joseph, Mr. 2AJ, uni ni encounter.
All right. First of all, no, very kind. I said that I'm gonna say, I want this opportunity to explain. I am a bra.
Okay.
Yeah, me because I'm a biological brother, and then I'm the swimmer. Meaning BCI. I was staying with a certain man of God.
Okay.
Yeah, our Western region. Apostle Daniel Mensa, maybe Obia, Eradi Shano.
Amen.
On na menene ete before say me beba ninti na me brother no free baby oti then no aba baby ameme wono na me father 2AJ akasa on phone. So one day oba no me father 2AJ aka join me say me ntonyom na unti o phone so.
Okay.
Yeah, and I'm a tonyom ba ko pe nti me tonyom ba ko ni we no na me de me bra no o jam nti de de bi oba o ka che me ni say o de bompai fata echi. There be asano ka. So one day I call by say meba baby am bram one.
Okay.
Yeah. Inti me call honum no. Me ho na me mother ka kire me say obi say ba hanom ne wa be some interview bi ne na for. So I should get myself prepared.
Obi say no na wan.
Mr. Joseph Samuel Siama. Yeah. Ba ne ma be having some interviews and the rest. Inti me nye de me mboa me ho ntwen no. Enti me de mete hono ma boaboa me ho chen ye na no bedu that day na me gina atakwa me dan bi hu ameto Israel sa video no yeah sa day no enti oba obe shoot video ni we have some interviews ni we ni nyina no na obisa me say obefa me betena ni chen e wa ha many beje ho na me ka chen say many beje ho nti okay say okay what's nti didi mana me de ba kumase.
Wow.
Ya buy better tone ya man. Then we went back to Western region and ya buy na ya be stay.
Very very interesting. Na che say we for kwaya OSEI blessing the chairman general first word the meet to Mr. Masamo Esiama Joseph. I don't know. Na me can say after say oba you know na enema started say pick you know na o motivation pa say after say o first video no e shoot ya na fe e wiase ni obia eni age ho na obia like what comments ni bi ne nsem e ba fa ho e no te ye no o ye den na reactions to say na o si fa no
kakra meti maka ne say always bia me ya na the shame cry pa audience comment.
Oh, okay.
The shame cry pa in everything God first, but aside God now, the shame cry pa audience comment. We can't say pa fa ho meaning said the way and nani je ho.
Yeah,
sure. The obeka say mboni afa me ho so I like it.
Okay.
If you say it is written in the Bible say we are seeing in Adam kra na
munui
so ati ase. Inti nye de obi bia na manfo bepe. Some will say good things about you. Some too will say bad things. Inti bad thing no be bekano. Then I take it. No ma correct no.
Wow. So let me ask you this question. So our first video now kasi ujina takwame dan no. Who receive some bad comments bia how ana?
To me at that time no. I didn't my family didn't cause comments and those stuffs and so. To me yen kind comments is I menya yes once a while be na makan bia and be ho so a obi be catch you face to face obi share no catch you say.
Okay, so 5 years money for joining 2AJ production no. What is your biggest challenge ever oring team feeder adia SC and aye o how kesi pa in your entire life oring team feeder baby abegina bi abekai?
That was last year.
Oh, okay.
We organized a program in Kintampo.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, Tamale rather. Yeah,
oh, okay.
Tamale rather.
Yeah, Tamale. Okay.
Program BBI okay, BBI is set. sika was a radio interviews, yako BBA. And not knowing say organizer na program the idea kusine so no because I honum ni eni manya hone into I was in your organizer obe organize ni mama sure organizer onye ni mama ye onye ni mama ye ma program ye no first day it was I think Friday before the program you have some market program be with the mama for na jom for no more organizer we program started and he wasn't around program the your point titi one son organizer odi anima program dey balo yeah obaho so I was like how possible to say player okobobo your coach is not around. Okay, yam fair non twinching. Sunday, exact day I was here program, they do so. Time my program started organizing you. I was like, how? Okay, what do you mean train? Say program day. Why who did there when you cry now? They will come. Yeah, at them. Obi nipa ne was already there more. We say me 15 grand you know.
Yeah, because I was there.
Because Jina stage is all. Me hear nipa. Where are they right? Sa video no me be fie me twa like na araha shemakoma. Me anka me pa say even say o be bu me kra mesu no. Masa. No bre me abani asinusu no sa so say dey.
Someone was saying that Tamale program I was there, and the first time I mean who was a blessing and new woman is who say yes say obira ho na out of our home or did you was my first time me that encounter it was a blessing that was Tamale, and now you're very sad, emotional. Na just say yina eji obi ansem so like a quite by so na or psyche or home ultimate recover free standing.
I say no my like my who are be say so anyone could him anyone.
Wow.
So you have to face so that tomorrow the victory will come.
So at the end of the day now video never out like a day now ususu yeah like unya reshemu bi say
minya reshemu.
Oh okay.
Way back 2020 we program that lifted praises also a blessing asante bekwai.
Okay.
Baby how are you as that any yin.
Oh okay.
This time I'm be Gina stage I'm performing na edom ni ho sao. My father 2AJ na bambui, let's be real. Na bambui, and he told us to stop. Or see nyai instruments way AAC lighting system wasn't good.
Okay.
Na bamba busi nyai performance no. So it was Connor J Dr. Callis. They stood up no almost no. So far as I rehearse I was able to do 100 there. We have to do it. So be any who cry yanka sani ekoye no. Ye be jinemaye. Enti omo kan sa ne de na che se de aba na ye de. Aba. Majority carries the vote. Enti ye gina mu ene che se ma part obi ade ne ho agim. E gina mu Abigail Bon obi a ade ne ho agim a e gina mu saya enti video no kra ba sha production members na omo around. But God being so good. Sure. Is it guy meaning God being so good? You can see say the video no eko baby. Yeah. That's what.
Wow. Wow. Very wonderful. Not just a dear na any that so ni more bianca bianchim no. And on by the grace of God so be fair we are safe and all right. Now my mentor so na me misa. So far you the year 2025. Our expectations every year anything.
Actually, me kakra meti me aka de say abeni abeni na no who expecting more and you always but the nyamedi ebe febia the nyamedi ebe febia well you start year no and I make can say after the anniversary 10 years anniversary no, me who say things were looking down but now no I started say epic. So I have this thing in mind say by the end of the year no I started picking in quadie. God never go shame us.
Now I say what the way have a term. Send your kind say after the 10 years anniversary, you know, near my bar for me. Like now we feel it saying send you now say we are singing who say 2AJ production a collapse say ain't mean sorry be and near my Gia Guno. Emma ever get you to a point cry say maybe no cry say I feel the 2AJ say unti me be a monk call near and they know like who feel it saying.
And I make I say yes, no. So when you work with him, dear, no. Time no. She me tell him say, Papa mo bani mo. I am willing. Because it mean yes, I brought on borrow. There be a obedi dear. Sometimes no Papa be frame. Into your ban is hana. You have to accept it. I will say accept it. Umia weni. No matter how hard it is, I will say umia weni now accept it. So
right now, I'm picking him so I can say now when we say any master take money musuno like energy no at the same passion no name any matter say any
you go so yeniyama but still without you we can't do it. So what you say moka humbi ene ye baako nti.
All right. We see for me cause I can say 2AJ TV and say unnim enipa otimen say nifa so amene twetwe nkomo na your first time wa OSEI blessing ye am ne so ma awoyo asama ne musu biem aseda ene ayeyi mehwe de onyame aya enye maseda mponi oba no samaria gidi awanya so na de keka ho ene true this man ena awoyo asama ne musu a ene gospel industry no obia eto awoyo. I say now there is something unique be am discover. Me pese me bisa. Wo Royal Mary na Pentecost Joshua. Mu secret ne sentia emfana makran fa montem.
Area sion adige ba ko a eboa pa e wo sa ne ma bi mu sey nti ase.
Okay.
Yes, nti ase. Se mote mo ho ase na mu hu se ne mbesi atoto mo niema that is all. Se we ya ade na we timika na we accept it. Who accept it kra meka? Yes, that's how it's supposed to be. It shouldn't be say Joshua am ade na ehye mu na me hu na mamuna. Da bia ye beko me ni Joshua da bia ye beko wana ye betima ko be 3 times yakuwi ya wi why ade na enye ne nko ade wo se meka sanso no so ya ade na enya me nso me ya ade na enya oka eno ano no ye tenetene ye ho that's all.
Wow. So mu secret nyina na say we from a we can we animu a ogitum
no
we so ya we so can we gitum so you guys understand yourself to that point.
Sure.
Wow. Now, my memory, Easter convention na moko odunkwa neso. Me who say Royal Mary performing no. Me who the kind of energy, the kind of passion or reactions or gestures are na ekoso udimina at that moment. And then ama say we are so passionate about the Mary ministration. And then Emma we are so passionate.
Together we stand divided before.
Wow.
Sure. So I met me aka. They are not all no. As a matter of fact, when you watch the video, you can see say there is something in the administration that she was doing. Inti wo hu say enya se me ni tifie nti na mahu bibi sa otonuma memoa me hu di na mentena ho. No, I was a man so mean so me ye day. Me Jimmy who did them na me ye be. When so me yan shire ni bia. Eh.
Wow.
minya nhyira ni bia nti kakra betimi aka afa ho
so at that moment now also tap anointing na
exactly.
Wow. All right, we see for sene or say blessing eka eno. Now mami misa, there is this thing so nkrofo etimi bobo a list e mention say ye pay youth anyum omo to nyum awrade nsa ewo omo so na nwosra ne tumi di akira. Rophobia granting interviews so many times mente mommy and some mo be like more having encounter with those interviews no na muti na amount for a cancer bisa ayana feeling it say na mo fan say
it's very kaka say nipa nyina do die nipa nyina so time so ya anyede enye enti meme no my imagine say papa mo body mo I will still keep on with what I'm doing. I'm not doing it for any human being or born of a woman.
Okay.
It is their expectation, and I say ade a omo huntina ade we based on something. Let me say it like that. Ombeye omo di bigina bibi so na dia so what you say ebia wo hu sa ade na wo hu no we hu no menka ni ebia Joshua obi ati Joshua nyom de anya awo ba wonti emenyum nya asa bi enti se nipa no ubisa na obeye den obebo Joshua din.
Wow.
But uko bisa obi a ono nso ati emenyum de anya ebia na kwantuo ba oso uko bisa ono nso obeye den obebo mi din.
Wow.
Nti de ono na ye enquiries ana say kakra ono nso anya flow bi ho nti na oye den odi bo ni din. But I know what is implanted in me. Minim de umimu.
I wish you for and then the way you cry was a blessing. If I saw answer questions, no, I means too much wisdom. No answer question. Now, my misa, I then we so no. Oh, papa 2AJ. Ayana or chemo send you movie in someone no and I say a moana musia sani man. How is it?
It is a crafo fruits yakasa. Ade bia o sha ase a na oye dey obey mistake. So someone will direct you obe church you. Ashase na e kwa anim no. Wa obehu say at this point there I have to add my knowledge to it. So what you say?
Okay.
Nti ashase no se me ba ye no na obisa me say ohwo te say enam ka say me ho ya me koye no wache me say oh obisa so ohwo te say ya nyame adom me ho ye. So what you say? E ho no anya point 1 aka ho. So as time goes on now, wa wunyini no, adwene ni nyini no. Onsu betimi atena se adwene hu say question we obisa me no me de why ka ho a ebema na ye perfect.
Wow.
Sanity.
I was here for and I was a blessing. I'm managing him because the way now we in someone on it, the work okasa in a very matured way. Now, I say, they say there, that's only me a poo.
Ewe die ho.
Says they say, now they say, crime no honor, says me bra penny.
Oh, penny the penny.
Now, I say, my misa as a favorite food buyer there.
The favorite food. Yeah, as a favorite food in the obisa me make it can be minti binyi baako.
Na chese o de o ntiri the one the best sama be your favorite.
Oh, nyese ni nyina but me wo aduane bi wo ho no ma nuane bi me enye baako nti nuane bi wo ho a eye me punchline.
Okay, ebine de audio
ofa aduane bi ti se bankun mutuo ena me peto pa to me peto
eto no de an bi
eto de body ne kokokoko to sure me pepa
and here we for say we cooker we very good and I shall be very good and here say I can favorite food
matwa manim.
Okay, I say mami misao na agroben so pana o dear who say, am I who son to me enjoy yourself?
Me obia.
At the end of your hobby, like a banner, reading, or maybe a movie share, or like those stuff. And then your hobby,
Me hobby the drumming no.
Opera drums.
Me pe drums pa. Since me sing me na me yes an korana. Yes ye kwa ni akofa ye ma me chense ndi akotena da echi ye dede no me ka me na me ka hu bi. Mitimi ba de apam me se me ye dede na me de akotena obi nso da echi. Na nipa kro so abepam me. Me de be kwa me amekwa na me bra. Na masaya ba.
So I wo vision mu said that me open so be your drama na.
E ka me vision so.
Oh wow.
My ama na kamo to the extent say me te class kra na me desk so na me de me say about drums.
So oba to your production, like when you be our guide or boy or so
To be mechanic say no.
Okay.
But me obi a ba me drums side na me yakronfo pa.
Okay.
Se obo na e tomasum na me fans ade we die wa bo na me de mesua eno ano no aka me tena say 1 2 na me hu.
So I remember video being so and also best circulated trend there, yeah, about for
Sure.
yeah. Now what drums like obi and natural. Yeah, then to me a capture sanya because drums are born and you will be a fairness oh soon for fran because only me.
It is something I was born with.
Oh wow.
Until gradually now. Na me team mission house na me board drums. Me wa apostle Daniel Mensa one. Na me board drums for church wo. Me ba ha dem na me jaya. We no kra no. Once ade a we ja tuma ade we ye den. Nti ade senka me gusu a me bo anka. Me perfect a change.
Okay. We are say oba ma mimisa we. Videos awaye nyina comment ben pa na or fans ni bi dia mawa the best ever commenter orient me fida. Who will be sir?
The best ever comment, keep it up.
Keep it up.
Keep it up.
Wow.
God bless you.
Wow. I say blessing say the entire life the best ever commenter na chef for the fans the manner na ni jipa God bless you, keep it up. God bless you, keep it up. So when you say that na emanenije emanarich mu bebe. Na mami misao. Minim say Joe o videos a do nyina Joe nature.
Sisi akọ nature.
On nature.
Sure.
O secret pa ne senti ade bia ya oni Joe. Chese mi hu seconds a wo mi no monko. Mu secret ne say obi afọ obi aduane adi ana se ba akọ akodi ba akusika like what is your secret? Enti de bia moko.
You talk any reason.
Mommy and Mom talk any reason.
Talk any reason though. You talk any reason.
Chassis or no to money away but was a camera moon to me can be.
You be share with you.
Make a chance and your camera moon or say it as I'm going what woman and
you be share with you.
And talk on me, Jane, who I'm in. Hey, Adriana no more bedidia on back home. Asem no bi beka ebe danen tokwa ensuo kura omo beko ho bata usajare omo beko ho atade se omo chese bibia mu ntokwa
sa na ye die yetie mo fa yesa.
But I love that collabo no more no because it's not something I say mubufu it's something funny I agora modidi so like sa de ne koso ya feel is.
Oh, me, always be out of me. Bad is out of many aje.
Now, what me can't somewhere ya pa chabo pa
me dear. Who is a we are the SBR SCHM and you're the first person I may bet be. So we are catching myself my bottom. Maybe it's Messia will be our bottom. So I say, it's a idea, maybe a medical Betty will be a decant be.
They say no, Bako to manifest and Bako so I done any day no a cutiabo say video do ye busia for and to quite best one we just have a pattern and I'm requiring to me. All right. Mami nka se koba se obi ani fi na for some time yeah, how do you feel?
Yeah, normal. Me me obi ane ne nkwa na mada.
Na wada.
No.
But one thing about you so me hu say pepi always indoor. Even ye wo fie kra no se ne bia nko bi pepie ne na me fie na bonten ne korodom valande mana ho bi no me hu sa kwa ne so adentina ese always wo she wo room we te bi our phone wo tie nyom and normally so da bia so a wo bie nyom to nchen like e na ma wo yes an man
Ye tia me bie nyom medo to me nchen no. Let me start from osi me mpie no.
yeah.
Omo wa asembia omo ka se omo ka se bi me we fi kakra. But the enti me mpie pa me epie enye se mani ngipie ho. Mani gipie ho pa.
Okay.
Mani gipie me mpe fie tina se me tina fie me mpe fie tina me pepie. But the enti me mpie pa de minim de me pie akoye.
Okay.
Because looking around say area mu ha no na community ana minim say me pie me come madam fuwe ho mini friend me am kono ho. So what I would do is to stay in my room, sleep, have enough rest for myself. The me dance so me dey nyum be eto me nchen say sometimes na me born na me dey bomb